Are you looking for email campaign inspiration? In this video, I'll show you 3 examples. 1. Companies provide valuable content which engage people and convert. Hi, this is Andriy, founder of email marketing agency called Flowimo, as well as this YouTube channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how 3 companies provide valuable content via emails using this in their newsletter or like weekly newsletters, or maybe in automations as well, or they can reuse those emails in their automations, but people engaging with that kind of content. Sometimes clients ask us, what should we send? Should we just send promo emails, send us discount, sales, and so forth? No, it's not true. You should mix your promotion with the content to provide value, so people want to still open your emails, not because you offering them something in terms of money, but offering them content which they like to consume and engage with your brand.
Before we continue with the video, I have a short announcement to make. We are growing and we have a few spots available for new clients, and I would like to tell you about our partner program, Give $1,000, Get $1,000. How does it work? If you know anybody in your network who are e-commerce brand, online retailers, please refer them to us, and if they sign up with us, you will get $1,000 and they will get $1,000 discount toward their credit. Or if you are an e-commerce brand and you would like to work with us, we will give you $2,000 towards your first month of the retainer. Just visit flowimo.com/partner and see the details of a partner program, and we have a template there, email template, which you can send it to your friend or somebody you know in e-commerce space.
So the first company, and I already covered them in few of our videos, is Magic Spoon, and this is great engaging email. I'm their customer and they are sending this kind of emails, and this one is very good. So they basically describe what kind of milks there are. So they do not sell milk, but they sell cereal, and it's hard to eat cereal without milk. Maybe some people eat without milk, but typically you consume cereal with milk. So they giving you milk option, especially if you do not want to consume like cold milk. There's another milk types. So this is their long email, but engaging and well designed, well planned from content perspective. As you can see, it's like pros, cons, short description, and so forth. So I like this email a lot. That's why I want to share it with you. So you should create similar kind of content and send it to your subscribers. So another example, it's from a company called Dermafact. So I received it recently, like 2 days ago. But again, actually this email inspired me to record this video, and they have 5 foods to reduce skin inflammation. So they do not talk about their product here, but they talk about the problem their product solve. They also offering you like almost free things to solve the same problem. So basically what products you either have to put on your skin or consume to get your skin better. Yeah, so this is another example. And the third and final example, it's from brand Lulalu. Vera and Alyssa, our podcast host, Email Einstein podcast, they talk about this brand a lot. And example, it's called Lulalu Lady of the Month, and this is the February edition. So they do not talk about their product here in this email. They are talking about their customer. So they select one customer and they share that person's story. And you can see, again, it's a very long email, but this kind of emails shows your brand mission, your values, and people want to engage with this kind of content. So I strongly encourage you to create content emails, not just sales, promotion. Provide some value, provide some entertainment to your customers so they look forward to read your emails. In case you have any additional questions, please let me know. And if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I strongly recommend to subscribe.